Hi, this is Dina with Pretty Productive. Welcome back to my channel. If you are new here, thanks so much for joining us. Please consider subscribing and hit the alert for all new notifications for new videos. Today what I'm going to be doing is very exciting because these are new releases, and I am hosting a sale this weekend for our first shop anniversary. So a year ago we did our first posting video and kit, which was the September of 2019 kit. So I do have a lot of kits coming into the shop, but I wanted to start first with the script stickers. So about 3 months ago I added Jen Plan's font, which has been super popular, into the shop, and then also one called Carolina that can have a swoosh if you want. All of our script stickers can be customized, so you can either choose your font, choose your foil, choose your paper. If there is a custom script that you want, we are able to do that as well. So the ones that were listed in the shop today are Sunday through Saturday, and there comes up to be 8 sets on here. And this is on the clear paper and then foiled in silver, gold, and rose gold. And then second was Gratitude. This one is the Carolina font without the swoosh. And then the Jen Plans font. And then gold and silver. And then we also have other choices as far as mint, pink, rose gold. Church, and this is the Jen Plans font. The Carolina font. And then silver, gold. And then Carolina in gold. I know it's hard to see the foil. And then Bible Study, this is the Carolina font in gold and silver. This is the Jen Plans font in rose gold, gold, that one's rose gold, silver in Jen Plans, and then gold in Jen Plans. And then the last one that I brought in is Journal in gold. This is the Jen Plans. This is the Carolina, Jen Plans, Carolina, and Jen Plans. So you can put a note in seller to which font you would like. So as far as the kits, now we do make the kits in both the 7x9 as well as the 8.5x11. They will fit the Plum Planner monthly, the 7x9 Erin Condren, as well as the classic Happy Planner. So every one comes with a budget header. This is in the Apricots font. This is the one that will come with the kit by default, but you can also put a note in seller if you would like this one, and I forget the name. I'll have to put a note in there. Jen Plans and Highway. And then this one's Apricot. And I did just update these, so there are some additional categories, and I kind of resized them so you could have more options in the budget kit. So our budget kits are done. You can buy them individually. You do save money by buying them as a group. So it comes with the headers, the budget strips, the thin washi, and the thick washi. And then this is the second kit. It comes with the thick washi, the headers, and the thin washi. And then this one, the thick washi, thin washi, and the budget strips. And then this one is thick washi, thin washi, and budget headers. And then thick washi, thin washi, and budget header, thick washi, budget strips, and thin washi, and then thick washi, thin washi, budget strips, and then thick washi, and this looks like wood. It probably isn't photographing really well. Thin washi and budget strips. So there are 7 new kits that I just put into the shop. The kits, if you buy the kit together, it's $11. I did just start a sale, so the sale is 25% off everything in the shop. The only thing that it is not on sale is the Oops bags. So let me go grab them. I'll be right back. Okay, and I'm back. So these have been up for about a week, but I didn't advertise them yet. So there are 7x9 kits, so you'll have at least 2 pieces from the same kit, as well as other items, check boxes, and these are $5. And so this is another option, one more option. Now they're Oops, but they're all, they may be slightly miscut. Most of them just have our old logo on them, or they were additional items that I had cut maybe for an order. We are a cut to order shop. And then I do have 3 that are in the 8.5 by 11 size as well. And then I also have, there's five of scripts. So there are foiled scripts, non-foiled scripts, icons, the budget check boxes. There's 5 of those, and I believe these are $3. And then for the envelopes, these were our original sizing, so they're a little bit smaller this way than the ones that we have in the shop currently. So if you bought some of this style and some of the other ones, then they wouldn't all look exactly the same if you were to put them into like a 6-ring binder. So we went ahead and pulled them all out of the shop. They're all perfectly laminated, everything else. So you get a set of 6 envelopes. You do get 1 script, a couple different foiled ones, and then you get a collection of the naming for the custom namings that we did. And I just picked the ones that were the most common for most people. And these are $5 for a package. So that's a great deal. So those are the Oops bags, and those are not on sale for the 25% off. So that is all I have for right now. I'm going to be posting a budget check-in for week 1 of September shortly, but the sale will go live at 4 p.m. today, which is Friday the 4th, and it will be through midnight on September the 8th. There is a code, which I'll have on the video. You shouldn't need a code though. It should be the entire store. The entire shop is on sale. So thank you so much for all your support in this last year. I've learned a lot. I've had a great time. I've really enjoyed meeting so many of you that have purchased from the shop repeatedly, who's had great ideas on different custom stickers. It's really fun to see what everybody uses for their planners and what they would like to have. So thank you again for everything. I so appreciate the support, and I hope that you are able to pick up some items this weekend at a great discount of 25%. We have yet to do a 25% discount, so this will be our biggest discount yet. So thank you so much, and have a great rest of your weekend.